Mic test 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we're live in YouTube. And good. Good, so we're live. Let's do a quick trade recap. So I took minus 1.2% on ES. Turns out the position we took yesterday wasn't actually closed fully. Like, it closed one contract and then the other one remained running and gave us like some couple $100. Well, it's $97, and yeah, so it wasn't bad. So today's price action was this kind of messy. Now let's see what I had during the day. So one mistake I made is that I didn't recognize this big fair value gap that was on ES, but I think it's because I had analyzed the NAS first. So on NAS 100, I had this view, like I was bullish, which made me have a bullish bias also on ES. So on NAS we had this 4-hour fair value gap, dropped right into it and started to push. So I believe today would push even higher. So now I went down on the 1 hour time frame, so that we had a nice sweep. Sorry, I think I did put this earlier, I mean later. Then on the 1 hour I was basically targeting these highs. You can see the London highs, and the moment we took out these lows here, you see we pushed high for a bit and then dropped. So let's go to the 15-minute. So on the 15-minute you can see we were right here, so we took out these lows, pushed high for a bit, failed to push, then we dropped. Now going and replay somewhere right here on the 1 minute. So this is what we were looking at. Now we had took out these lows and we had these lows resting here from yesterday. Now let me go on the 5 minute. Right, so we had London lows, these lows right here, and I was basically waiting for market to tap into them, show us like an SMT and good reason for reversal and push higher. But maybe it's because tomorrow is a FOMC, so maybe price might be choppy. So then we see a clean drop and then clean sweep of liquidity. So what I was looking forward to was for this fair value gap to get run through, and then we take out this buy side liquidity. But that's not what happened. But instead what happened was that after running through this inversion fair value gap, well, NAS 100 had can I say that it was like, it wasn't strong in pushing through the fair value gap, because when we go on ES and let's go to that time exactly, I think it was here, you can see that ES was pushing through the gap with much effort, or as of right here, and then you can see it inversed it, tried to create a change in state, traced back into the gap, and then ended up fully dropping. So I was currently looking for buys, and we had this low taken out as well on ES. So I was looking for buys, but then I ended up getting stopped out. So I took an entry somewhere here. I think it was I don't remember my fill exactly. It was the 2 minute. It might have been the 2 minute, because the 2 minute also had the same exact thing somewhere here. Right, so yeah, we inversed the gap, created this change in state. Now I entered here, and then my stop loss was somewhere here, and pushed high for a bit, and then I ended up getting stopped out right here. And you can see the trade on MT5. Let me show you the trade. It's on my Finet account. So look at it's right here, and the trade was this one, yeah, in US 500. Yeah, so I think that was the trade, but later on took out sell side, pushed higher, then dropped. So price action was kind of like a barcode or something like that. So no biggie, we come back again and look for next day opportunities, not